everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today, guys, I will be showing you how you get more themes for your Google Slides presentation. So yeah, guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do, guys, is go ahead to the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to go ahead and create a presentation. As you can see here, guys, I have already created a presentation, and here I have some slides. Here's my first slide. On the second slide I have some text. On the first slide a table, and so on. So guys, let's say that I am not satisfied with how my presentation looks and I want to get more themes, but I do not know where to go to get more themes. Well, I'm going to be showing you guys right now how to do it. It's very easy and only takes a couple of steps. So the first thing you have to do, guys, is go ahead and make sure you haven't selected any text or any object or anything. You just have to click anywhere on the presentation so that it will unselect anything that is selected. And now this toolbar right here will appear where you will have multiple options, as you can see at the top of the page. You can change your background, you can apply a new layout, and here you can change your theme. So we're going to go ahead and click the third option right here, guys, called theme. And clicking on theme, guys, you can see that now we have multiple options that appear on the right side of the screen where we can go ahead and select our new theme that we want to use for our presentation. So let's say this is the theme right here. Just go ahead and select the theme, guys. You can see it has automatically changed the theme to the new one that we want. As you can see, this is the original one we have been using. You can use any one that you want, and if you want to even import a theme that you already have, you can go ahead and click this button right here called import theme, and here you will be able to import any theme that you have on your Google Drive or PC. So guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.